Here's all you'll need for my version of Mongolian chicken. Talking of chicken, you're going to need a couple of chicken breasts. Now this is optional, but I like to put it in my food, a chili pepper. You need some garlic, fresh ginger, spring onions, some cornflour or cornstarch, brown sugar, sesame oil and some soy sauce. First thing we're going to do, if you're as finicky as me, is cut off anything off the chicken that you don't like the look of. Once you've got rid of any nasty bits, time to cut it up into bite-sized pieces. With your chicken cut into chunks, it's time to get yourself a plastic bag, go in with a couple of heaped tablespoons of your corn flour, in with your chicken chunks, and then give them a good shake around so that they're all coated. With your chicken pieces ready, time to heat some oil up in a pan and then just drop them in. We're going to give them about 4 or 5 minutes either side just to nicely brown off. With your chicken nicely browning off, we're going to pulverise your garlic, grate your ginger, chop up your onions and slice your chili pepper. With your veg chopped, it's time to make up your little sauce into a bowl with 3 tablespoons of your brown sugar, a teaspoon of your sesame oil, about 3 tablespoons of your soy sauce, a bit of water to dilute it, just give that a mix. With your chicken nicely browned, take that out and place it onto a plate. And it's in with your garlic, ginger, chili pepper and spring onions. And we're just going to give them a minute or two to warm through. Once they've had a couple of minutes, it's time to go in with the sauce we've just concocted. To help thicken up the sauce, I'm just going to put a tablespoon of corn flour, cornstarch into a cup, mix with a bit of cold water. Make sure it's cold, not warm, otherwise you'll get a stodgy mess. So you want cold water, and in that goes. It'll help thicken it up. So we're just going to simmer that away until your sauce reduces down and thickens up nicely. When it's thickened up nicely, like that, time to give it a test for salt and pepper, bearing in mind that your soy is very salty. Then back in with your crispy chicken, get that all coated. Then it's time to get out your favourite accompaniment, in my case rice, and get stuck in.